Hey there! How to build a website with no coding in 2024? Believe me, it's easier than you think. There's no coding and the entire process takes up to few minutes. In such a short period of time, you can have the website up and running. So you might be asking, what's the catch? Well, there's always some catch, right? And the thing is that you would need to sign up for an educational platform where you can follow the same steps as I'll be showing you. But no worries, you don't need your credit card, you just need your email address. And once you sign up, in a few clicks you can have a test site up and ready, as I said. And if you want to have like a real .com website, the procedure is the same. The thing is that having your own domain .com, you're gonna have to pay for the hosting. But for our purpose, let's just pretend that we don't want to spend any money. We just want to have a testing site up and ready. And let's pretend that I'm not a part of the educational platform. So I'll be acting as a total newbie. So you will find this link in the description below. Once you click on it, you will get to this website where you type your email address. And let's get started for free. You type your name. Let's say I am Mike. Let's say Mike D. Your password and choose your username. Mike D Test. And get started with the free account. In a few seconds you are inside of the educational platform where you can learn how to create a content that ranks well in search engines, but for sake of this video we will be showing only how to create your own website. So once you are inside the platform, you can follow the next link that is in the description below. The second link goes my.wealthyaffiliate.com/website/build, and once you click on that link, you will get to this page where you can choose what kind of website you would like to build. Whether it's free domain, that's gonna be our case, domain you own, or register a new domain. These two options are for premium only, and please remember, whenever you want your own domain, you always will have to pay for the hosting. So let's pick the free domain. Let's name the domain first, Mike D Test. Awesome, it's available. And let's enter a title for the website. Mike is testing. Cool. Now it seems like this will be our domain name, and let me also explain that this will be a subdomain of the SiteRubics.com. That means SiteRubics is the main domain provided by a wealthy affiliate for a free website creation. And Mike D Test, that's my custom subdomain that I have chosen. In case you decide for your own domain will be without the SiteRubics. So that would look like mikedtest.com. And in this fourth step, we can also change the theme. Let's say we choose the GeneratePress, and that's the theme I use as well on my main website. That's setaffiliatebusiness.com. So let's continue. Let's click on Build My Website. As you see, it's installing the database, activating security protection, and finalizing the installation. And this is all being done automatically without me touching anything. And as I mentioned, the same procedure is when you want to build your own .com domain. It looks like that's it. Your website is installed and ready to go. Let's take a look at our website. Awesome, this is our website. It's done. And we even have our first blog post. So my starter website, my journey begins. Cool. In case you wanna go for a premium membership, you can enable the site speed across all of your websites. The HTTPS is activated automatically, and even the site protector or the spam blocker is selected automatically. We already have some plugins installed, like Kraken Image Optimizer or SiteKit by Google. And over here we have some premium regarding the hosting. You can check it once you create your own subdomain. If you're not happy with that, you can delete the website. But as we have shown, to build such a website, it takes only a few seconds, literally. And once you have such a website done, you can then build on it. You can keep creating new posts. As a premium member, you will learn how to create the post in a way that it will rank in search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, and other search engines. Within the training, you'll also learn how to leverage the social media like Facebook or Pinterest, and also how to drive traffic from different sources like YouTube, for example. But I believe we have accomplished what we have promised in the beginning. We have created our own website, and now it's up to you. If you have questions, feel free to ask, and I'll be happy to provide you with the feedback. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.